Okay, so it's Luxury Fred and our Singapore adventure continues. I apologize for my hat, but it's like 100 degrees with 100% humidity out here. We are here in Singapore at the fabulous, at the amazing Marina Bay Sands, swimming in the SkyPool. So this is an amazing pool, infinity pool, on top of the hotel. 55 stories above Singapore with these incredible views of the Singapore skyline, as you can see. And you don't even have to leave the pool to get these amazing views. As you can see, this is a big terrace that's on top of the Marina Bay Sands. The end over there, cantilevers like 200 meters off of the side of the building, the largest cantilever terrace in the world. This hotel cost $8 billion to construct and has 2,500 rooms, a big casino, one of the world's largest luxury shopping malls, and a bunch of theaters and a museum and all kinds of a skating rink, all kinds of other stuff. It's really an amazing place to visit here in Singapore. And if you want to come to Singapore, did you know there's only one airline that has direct non-stop flights from the US, and that's United with their new direct SFO to Singapore flight. And I flew on flight number 1, the inaugural flight from SFO. Took about 15 hours in United's great business first cabin. Nice flat beds, great food, great service, great way to get to Singapore. And again, the only direct flight from the US. All the other flights you have to transfer in either Tokyo or Hong Kong usually. So I'm having fun exploring the city, and that's it.